So we are going to go over how we attach the mount for the AAC device. The base coupler is already in place. There are flat and rounded sides. The flat side is going to line up with the two flat sides on the mount. Base coupler. I'm just so you just push it straight in. Lock the red lever, and then this little pin, there's a hole right below where the red is. You just push that in, and that helps to keep the pole stable so it doesn't shift or move. All of these are already set and adjusted. Nothing needs to be done with these. And then you put the communication device on. Pull the pin back, slide that in. There's a little hole that will click. Once you hear the click, it's stable in place and it's good to go. And that's it.